Hi guys, thank you again for watching. It's me again with some news from the stock market. However, the first news is today I didn't do really much in our trading account, which grows from 10,000 to 1 million. I rather spent the day with my lovely daughter, and we had a lot of fun, and we actually traded together. First of all, do you know these little cute animals that are called Hatchimals? It's like a play toy in an egg, and then you kind of have to squeeze it, shake it, and turn it and stuff like that. And then that basically means that this thing will pick through her egg. So what we did is during we watched that animal to crush through the egg and get out. We opened one of my real accounts, like one of my play accounts, one of the smaller ones. And what my daughter actually did together with me is she earned €1,200 while that animal took like 10 minutes to go out. And all she did is just that when she was younger, we draw these kind of candles, and in the German market, we saw some certain candle combination, and she watched it. So I asked her, and I talked to her, of course, and she's like, "Yeah, that's going down, Daddy." So what we did is we put a little short position in it, and like 10 minutes later, we had earned around €1,200. So congratulations to my 5-year-old daughter. She is absolutely amazing in trading, and you will be too very soon. If you keep watching, if you keep learning these things, you can do exactly the same thing. So what we saw for the last 2 days, according to the IWF, there's a new financial crisis on the horizon, and they kind of cut their global their global economic forecast from 1% to another percentage. However, it might look scary at the moment, but we don't really care too much about these kind of news. If we hear them, we take them into consideration, but we always trade what we see. So today I only did one trade. I did a short trade, like after we were making money together with my daughter. I went into our live account and we put another trade on, and we made around, I think, £50 or something. What we saw in the morning, and that is why I named that video "Never Try to Catch a Falling Knife," is the last 2 days the market went down and down. So we have a very strong downwards momentum, and the markets are falling. What you could see when the market opened immediately is, or already before the market opened, is that all the people that thought it's a great idea, so now it's really cheap, so it must go up, they went into the market and they bought it. You really can see in these kind of intraday candles how the market kind of went down overnight, because the US market was still going down after the German market closed, and before the market opened in Europe, you could see the people that thought now's the time to buy, so they went in. However, with falling stock market, it is the same like with a falling knife. You don't try to catch it. You don't try to catch a falling knife. So therefore, we stayed away from that upward movement, and then the reality turned in again, and the markets went down into their natural direction that it had for the last 2 days. We put these trades in, and we made some money with it. I will load up the picture of the animal, of course, so you can see what we did rather than trading all the time. And on the other side, what I will upload is our current portfolio outlook. And what you will see is that currently our gold trade is going majorly against us. We are still in the trade, but I think we are down like £300-400 or something. And I put up another trade, a wheat trade, that didn't do as it was intended by me so far. So we'll watch these two trades. I didn't do anything about it today because I wanted to enjoy some quality time with my daughter. And sometimes you have these kind of things in life. You might have a meeting, you might have like a whole day workshop or something like that, so you simply can't trade. So we built these kind of things in as well, so we have the best adaptation of reality that can happen to you guys, and we will still make money. So today the second position you will see is just some interest rate. We put a short trade in gold. We made some money with the error version yesterday, where the size of the trade was too small, and the other thing is turning against us. However, we got, I think, £2.70 or something dividend, because when you short in the market, you actually sell first at a high price point and then you buy later. However, through the selling, you already have some money in the bank, and for that money, of course, you get kind of an interest. That's what the other trade is about. So it's not an actual trade, it's just some interest payment. I circled this screen. You see that we are currently, in terms of profit loss, down a few £100. However, we will kind of have an eye on it, and if they continue to work against us, we will just turn around, we will use some repair strategies, and we still will make money out of it. I think tomorrow I should have a little bit more time going back to the UK again, and then I will put on a few more trades, and then whatever you will see now in the terms of profit loss statement will be by far better, and we will make some money for it. Thank you all for listening and for watching me. Saw you, Elizabeth, and Ole, and Roy, and Temba. Thank you all very, very much. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And always try to remember, never catch a falling knife. Bye.